The miracle of life starts with approximately 200 million spermatozoa released into the vagina. For new life to begin, some of the spermatozoa must survive the treacherous trip through the cervix and uterus to reach the secondary oocyte in one of the fallopian tubes. They swim through the cervix using whip-like motions with their flagella. Many caught in mucus, only the strongest will survive. Vaginal contractions may help direct the spermatozoa to the fallopian tubes. Approximately 200 sperm that make it to the egg will work together to dissolve and break through the tough outer shell, the zona pellucida, to fertilize the egg. If a sperm penetrates the egg, conception occurs. The egg's shell changes, blocking the entry of any other sperm. The sperm carries one set of DNA and the egg carries the other. Upon entry, the genetic material in the sperm cell spreads out and forms a new membrane, becoming the male pronucleus with 23 chromosomes. This is equivalent to only half the chromosomes of the rest of the body cells. Entry of the spermatozoa also triggers the egg cell, the oocyte, to undergo meiosis II and develops into the female pronucleus, also with 23 chromosomes. The male and female pronuclei membranes dissolve. Their genetic material combine and become part of a single diploid nucleus containing a full set of 46 chromosomes. This cell is the zygote and the first stage in the development of a genetically unique organism. The zygote begins its descent to the uterus while undergoing multiple cell divisions in a process called mitosis. First, it becomes a solid ball of cells called a morula, which then transforms into a hollow ball of cells called a blastocyst. Once inside the uterus, the blastocyst breaks out of its shell and implants in the wall of the uterus. Here it develops into an embryo surrounded and protected by the amniotic sac.